Wendy paid $280 for 3 similar shirts and 2 similar belts. So they said that the price of each belt is half the price of each shirt. What is the price of each belt? So for this one, we have to draw the model, and then with the model, we're going to get more information before we proceed to answer the question. Now, over here, we have 2 pieces of information. The first piece of information is that it's $280 for 3 shirts and 2 belts. The second piece of information is that the belt is half the price of each shirt. We will always draw the one with the least unit. So over here is just 1 belt and 1 shirt, right? Here is 3 shirt and 3 belt. So we will always draw the one with the least unit, which is the second one first. Okay, so I'm going to draw the shirt first. So the shirt will be a slightly longer bar compared to the belt, which is only half the price. So I'm going to draw the shirt, and then the belt, which will be half. So I'm going to cut my shirt into half, and then I'm going to draw my belt, which will be like this. Now that I've already done this, I'm going to put a tick over here. Now moving on, they said that for 3 shirts, so I'm going to draw 3 shirts over here. So it'll be 1 and 2. And in total, I'm going to have 3 shirts. And since I cut the first one into half, I'm going to cut the second one and the third one into half as well. Okay? Now, and then they said that Wendy also bought 2 belts. So it will be 2 belts over here. And the total here, it will be $280. With this information, it will be very simple for you to start doing, and then they're asking for what is the price of each belt. So I'm going to put a question mark over here. Now with this information, I'm going to start counting how many similar units are there altogether. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 unit will represent $280, and they are asking for 1 belt, and 1 belt is 1 unit. So I can just find 1 unit, and that will be 280 divided by 8. So 280 divided by 8, and that will give us $35. Therefore, your answer is option 1. Okay, so for questions like this, especially for decimals and money, right, it'll be great for you to just draw the model, and you have to ensure, for parents who are watching this, right, you have to ensure that all the units are the same before you can start dividing, which is why I have to cut them up into different pieces. This is one of the core fundamentals of drawing models. Okay, ensuring that all the units are the same, and then you can start dividing because they're equal. If they're not equal, you cannot divide. Alright, done.